Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2710. I'm going to show you how to reset the network and also how to restore the printer to a factory default setting. If you want to reset the network, you press the cancel and wireless button together for 3 seconds. Press and hold them together. 1, 2, 3, and you will see resume will highlight and the power on button will highlight. Then you release the button. You need to wait, the light will highlight here. You can see the light is highlighting. What that means is the printer is now in a wireless mode. The network is reset and also is printing out the information, printer information page. With this information page, we tell you the printer is not connected to wireless network. However, wireless is turned on. For instruction on how to connect the printer to wireless network, press the information button for 3 seconds. So if you press the information button, you print out the network for us to connect the printer to the network. So if you want to connect the printer to a network, press the cancel and Wi-Fi button together for 3 seconds. So the printer is now in a wireless mode. To connect it, you need to go to your mobile phone or Play Store. Go to your Play Store, install HP app. When you install HP app, you need to add the printer. So go to your Play Store, install and download HP app. Open it up. So from the app, you select plus. Then select add a printer. Then you select wireless network. Then you select continue. Select continue. So the printer is found. Then you select setup. Then you put the wireless password. The printer is found and the network is found. I'm going to put the network information, the password for the Wi-Fi network. Then once you put the network information and the password, then you select continue. So printer is found. Press and release the flashing information button. Then you go to the printer, press this button once. Once the printer is connected to the network, the light will be steady. So the printer is prepared. Now it's obtaining IP address. IP address obtained, connection finished. Then you select continue. So this is how to connect the printer to wireless network after you restore the network settings. What we have done is we restore the network, reset the network, and reconnect the printer to a wireless network. Now, once that is done, I'm going to show you how to reset the printer to factory default setting. So the process is still taking place. The printer will be attached to HP app. So this is the printer, HP Deskjet. So we connected this printer to a network. This is the printer. Now another method to reset the printer is for us to open up the ink access door. Once you open the ink access door, then the next thing to do is you need to press the power on button and the wireless button together for 3 seconds. Press the power on button and wireless button together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then you release it, then close the cover, and that will switch off the Wi-Fi and turn off the printer. The printer is now flashing. The power on button is flashing. So you need to wait until the light on the wireless network starts again. There we go. So once it's ready and the light will highlight on the wireless network. See, the light is now highlighting on the Wi-Fi network. So what that means is that the light, this printer needs to be reconnected to the network. So this is how to reset the printer to factory default setting. So open up the ink access door, then press the power on button and Wi-Fi button together for 3 seconds. It will turn off the printer, but you need to wait for the printer to come on again. This printer is now reset, so we need to reconnect it to the network to be able to use it. This is how to reset the printer to network, reconnect it to a Wi-Fi network, and also reset it to factory default setting. Another method is for us to do this using the app, but that is a long process, so I find this one a lot easy. Thank you very much indeed.